I'm pleased to see that Dubai and the United Arab Emirates has started to run safe and successful trade shows once again. Having been in the business for nearly 30 years, I know that there is no better way than to connect with your customers than through face-to-face communications. The UAE has been running good trade shows now since the end of 2020, and only last week operated the highly successful Gulf Food Show. Also last week in Abu Dhabi, the Abu Dhabi National Exhibition Centre hosted a terrific edition of their military event, IDEX. This has come as no surprise because the UAE has been adopting safe and good practices throughout the whole of this pandemic. In fact, the UAE now has nearly 50% of its population vaccinated, and looks like it will have over 75% of its population vaccinated by the end of May. At that level, it will make the UAE a very safe destination in which to do business. We ourselves will be operating a number of great trade shows again at the end of May. From May 31 to June 2nd, we hope you will join us at Index, the Hotel Show, Workspace and the Leisure Show. These shows will provide you with a great opportunity to reconnect with your existing customers and to exhibit to generate new customers. We look forward to seeing you again. Thank you.